So I'm going to be playing this game, yeah. It's basically a clicker game that you get money off clicking, and I don't know why, but yay! Excuse me, where did I go? Money. I want more money. We get 2. To where? There. +2. It's kind of harder. Nice. I don't get. I'm sick of stupid ads. All they do is come up and go, hello. Money. I want more. Oh. There's an ad every 4 seconds. Bro, no, I don't want it. Clicky, clicky. Give me money. I broke. Insufficient funds. No. Yes. I make 6. Oh. Right. Right over. 6. I get money. I get big money now. Big boy money. Money. I want money. I want money. Is there any way for me to stop ads? It doesn't look like it, but I don't care. Because I'm just going to have to deal with it. Yeah. 4 + 4 equals what? What the hell? +8 takes up 3 spots. I don't want to know about your pepperoni two-patoni pizza. What's this? School hit chance. What's that? Oh, this game. Yes. Oh my god. I don't care. There's like 4,000 ads. Save me. Bro, what are these red ones? What do you mean insufficient funds? Hurry up. I'm impatient. Brilliant. Oh my god, I don't care about your freaking bulldozer. Let me play. I wanna buy. I've just figured out I'm a big stinky idiot. I've just figured out that the thing at the top is my money. That's why I kept on saying insufficient funds. Well, my brain works at 0.2% than the average monkey neural brain. Okay, you should work now. Yay. 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 Yeah. Bro, these ads, this is annoying. I'm going to try going super speed. Ow, ow, ow. Oh, I hate this. My fingers hurt. What am I doing this for? Now I want to buy my button. Skirt. I don't care. Oh my god. What am I meant to do? Go. Oh, map. I'm honest to God. If you continue. They need to fix this game. What is that? Oh my god. You still have a 1. What is wrong with you? Yo, what is going on here? Oh my god. Am I meant to just evolvation? This game. Why are there so many? Okay, so I did some off-camera grinding. 2 plus 2 equals 4, yeah. 4 plus 4 equals 8, yeah. And 8 plus 8 equals 16, yeah. As I was saying, 2 plus 2 equals 4. 4 plus 4 equals 8, and 8 plus 8 equals 16. So now I've got a 16 clicker. The amount of ads this game has to offer. Gifts from sponsors. $0. This game scared me. I'm at $0. What if I put you right there? Clicky. Synthesize buttons. Bro, this game. I'm gonna do some off-camera grinding. Okay, guys, I did some off-camera grinding, and I got a 4, I got a 2, and then now I've got 16 as well. Oh my god, these. I swear to God, no joke. In that time when I was grinding, I swear to God, it felt like I've seen 400 million ads. It's hell. It's annoying. But this game is not fun. This game, all it is about is clicking, see ads, and buy and press button. It's not fun. I don't care about your baby turtle. My head hurts. Okay, guys, what I've got now is a 16 plus and an 8 plus, which leaves us with a total of 24 plus each click, which is really good. Yay. And these ads are going to be the damn end of my sanity. Bye, guys. My head hurts because of how annoying this is.